Weather impact alert is in place for Wednesday. I know it's a huge chunk of time right now. When we get a little closer, we'll be able to trim this down. But it certainly looks like all day Wednesday and into the very wee early morning hours of Thursday is going to be that next system coming in, and it will be a snow producer. We're not talking about rain or rain-snow mix or ice. This is an all-snow system, even some strong winds, which will create blowing and drifting snow for very difficult travel. Right now, I think the Wednesday evening commute is the most impacted. So plan on some early dismissals likely on Wednesday. If you've got to drive home from work Wednesday evening, likely going to be slow going. We've already got a winter storm watch in place for our southernmost hometowns from Mount Pleasant to Burlington, just west of Monmouth. That is for that same time frame as our weather impact alert. This will be gradually expanded eastward here, perhaps a little bit north as we go through the next 12 to 24 hours as we get more confidence in the track and the timing and the placement of heaviest snow. But if you're under the winter storm watch, you can easily expect 4 inches, if not more, of snow coming your way. So it's a two-parter. The first part comes in late tonight with those snow showers, and then we get the main energy in here Wednesday. Here's 6 a.m. Look at the snow falling fast and furious here along and south of Interstate 80. So already Wednesday morning, we're seeing impacts to road conditions. The heaviest snow will likely fall Wednesday afternoon. And there you see that bright band of white here, steady, moderate to heavy snow along and south of the Interstate 80 corridor, and that continues through the afternoon. We will not see this snow break up in intensity or really end until late Wednesday night. And when all is said and done, most areas right here, Quad Cities, I-80 and points to the south, are looking at least 4 to 6 inches, possibly some hometowns, especially in the watch area near Mount Pleasant, Burlington, south of Galesburg, close to 8 inches of snow. Meanwhile, you go to the north here, lighter amounts of about 3 to 6 inches. And this will be light, fluffy snow that's going to blow around quite easily. It's not the heavy, wet snow. Here's the model projections. If you want to look at the raw model data, you can see there's a lot of agreement here that it is indeed between 4 to 6. There's a couple of outliers, of course, that'll get us higher, but right now I think the 4 to 6 inch range is a good bet here. So weather impact alert in place for that on Wednesday. There is another winter storm potentially getting in here for the weekend. Weather impact alert is associated with that for Saturday as we track in another potential for some heavy snow.